Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nathina Antoinette. I have a mini haul for you guys today. I picked up a palette and concealers and foundation from Juvia's place. Sorry if my lighting keeps changing. It is about 8:45 in the morning and I am using natural lighting, but you know, we'll work with it. So yeah, I got the shade Malawi for foundation. It was like a golden undertone, golden olive undertone, I believe. And then I got 13, which looked more golden on the website. This looks it's looking very white. And this, I picked up number 7. This is close to my summer shade. And for this palette, this is the Zulu palette. And Blythe has already messed in here a little bit. But they have these really pretty colors. I thought this would be a nice summer edition palette. You know, I don't do a lot of colors, but you know, we're gonna try some new stuff. So first, this is number 13. Hi, Blythe. Very neutral. This is the quote unquote contour shade that I picked up, which is close to, this is what I'm gonna look like this summer. And this is the foundation. It feels very thick. So yeah, what I am going to do, I'm going to mix these two, and I am going to mix these two. Now, the reason why I'm going to do this, I did a swatch of this on my face and I did a swatch of this on my face, just to see the difference in finish. This has no type of like natural glow to it. This does. I want it to be kind of like in between, plus I need the shades to be kind of in between. So I'm gonna mix these two, and I'm gonna mix these two because I don't want a sheeny under eye, because I don't really like having to set my concealer anymore. I feel like I'm getting too over that. I don't want my under eye to be super dry and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna mix these two, plus I feel like this is too light, and we're just gonna go in between. We're gonna make this work. But first, I'm going to do my eyes. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I will be back. To prime my eye for my eyeshadow, I'm going to use, y'all, I'm not gonna front, this is a wonderful size applicator. Like, that was dope. I'm gonna use this in this pure shade for my lids to prime. And because this is so wet, I am going to give it a little bit to dry down and get tacky before I start blending it out. I want to use as many shades as I can because this palette is so pretty. I'm going to use these 3, this one, and this one. All right, so y'all know my ghetto zoom in. I got to get close. Okay, so now I am just going to do the same thing to the head and do my foundation. I'm going to prime with my Ordinary primer. I'm going to use equal parts of my Malawi concealer, foundation, and equal parts of my concealer in shade 7. I'm going to start off, I'm going to mix equal parts of these and see how bright it is. And I'm going to add a little bit more of this if I want it a little brighter. So I'm going to take my number 7, and this stuff is very liquidy. So I know I used a little too much. And I'm just gonna use this to like warm up my face. To set my contour and to darken it up on the outer parts of my face, because that's just not dark enough for me. I'm going to use the Black Radiance in Dark to Deep, and I'm going to use that middle shade, the Sculpt shade. This is my leftover foundation shade, and I'm going to use that to clean up under my contour. I notice sometimes when you do highlight under it, it's just a little too bright. But if you do your foundation shade under it, it blends in better. Just my opinion. I'm not a professional or nothing. So I added some eyeliner on top and my lashes. And now I am going to put this nice bright turquoise in my waterline. This brown kiss liner on my lips. And I'm going to put MAC Flat Out Fabulous. I think it'll go good with the pink. All right, so this is the finished look. I feel like this concealer with the foundation together makes a beautiful finish. So I definitely recommend buying both products because you can mix them and it looks amazing in my opinion. Okay, so I do have some creasing under my eyes. I personally don't care about creasing. At this point in my life, I'm not really feeling the whole like setting thing. I don't know, just a new wave I'm on, I guess. But yeah, so the creasing doesn't really bother me, but I think the finish is super pretty. I have to learn how to work the pigments, but for the first go round, I do feel like that came out very nice. This is exactly what I was kind of looking for. I did want my yellow to be a little brighter, so I don't know, next time maybe I will try doing it like wet my brush first or something like that. But yeah, so I love it. I love this look. I feel pretty. I feel tropical. I feel like a tropical goddess right now. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.